What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Clark back at it again with another live trading session. Another live trading session. If you don't know, I do these trades to journal my trades. I also do these trades to help you guys out. So today, didn't have too much going on in the market early this morning. No kind of gap ups. So we should get some good price action today. Market opens up here in about 7 seconds. So we still, excuse me. So we still sitting around that 539, 535, 542 level on spot. So we want to watch those levels. We still sitting in the same range we was in yesterday, the same exact range. So we'll see how SPY and QQQ react this morning. If you just joined the live, where y'all from, man? Where you from? I'm over here in the state of Georgia. Where y'all from? Where y'all from? Good morning, Mason in the chat. What it do? Good morning. I did get in the swing. Hymns right here. I got in the swing yesterday. It dropped down to its lows at a level right here. So we got a little divergence right here, but we coming down from the same level we was at earlier this year, and look how far we went up. So I just bought the lows again. That's all I did. See what's going on here. The video pretty strong here. But we do want to wait on see if our ORB can break. If we break our pre-market highs, we can see if we can get a break and retest off the pre-market high or the pre-market low, whichever way we want to go. But here early, looks like what to do positive insight. Look like the bulls are here early. What to do positive insight? He say Michigan. I got some family in Michigan, Detroit. Got some family down there, well up there, Midwest. All right. So Nvidia got past pre-market high. Going water. Going water. Nvidia got past pre-market high. So we'll see if we can get a pullback right here. So yesterday we kept getting rejected at that 542 level right here. Kept getting rejected right there. So if we get above 542, we should get pretty decent moves. But we'll see. Good morning. You said where my family at? Oh, mine from Matters, you in Michigan too? I don't know exactly where they stay. I know I got some cousins that stay over there though. I don't know exactly. Good morning, no. Ron, he say he from New York. All right, that boy from New York. I ain't never been to New York. I'm a southern child. The most I've been to well, I went to Virginia for basic training. Yes, I ain't never been north of Virginia. I haven't been. I ain't never been. And I got stationed on the West Coast, Texas, that area. It's never really been north. Kind of stayed south my whole military career. But yeah, I'm glad y'all from all over, man. I'm glad y'all from all over. I'm used to meeting a lot of people from different countries. You know, being in the military is very diverse. You just used to meeting all kind of people, man. Uh, what's up, Max? So what it do? We'll meet each other cities in. Oh yeah, most definitely. You said was I at Fort Lee? Yeah, I was at Fort Lee. I was a diesel mechanic. I took my AIT school there at Fort Lee. So I did basic training at Fort Jackson. Right after Fort Jackson, I flew to Virginia, did my AIT for about, I was about out there about 3, 4 months. I remember it was snowing. I had night classes. I remember I was busting my ass in that snow, walking to school that night. But yeah, that's some good memories right there. So SPY went up a little bit. It's kind of retesting this 539 right here. We got NVIDIA retesting pre-market high. I like this NVIDIA right here. I am on a 2-minute chart, guys. See, we pull back right here. NVIDIA and AMD got almost identical charts right now. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna load up NVIDIA calls. I will be light. I'm gonna get in light. Contracts are a little expensive already, so just loading it up. Not really, not entering anything yet. See if we retest right here. Where my area was at Fort Sill and AIT, Fort Sam Houston. Oh yeah, you was way over there, Oklahoma and Texas. I used to be stationed in Killeen, Texas. Killeen, Austin, out there. Fort Hood. Yeah, I used to be stationed out there. I was out there when the girl had, I forgot her name, Vanessa. Yeah, when that girl had got killed. Yeah, I was out there when all that was going on. Had to get up out of there. Seemed like it was bad luck over there at Fort Hood, boy. Had to get. I was getting in too much trouble over there. Then I went overseas, and it was even worse. I had to leave overseas, getting in trouble over there. Blew my knee out. All right, guys, I got NVIDIA calls loaded. If we pass this pullback counter, I'll take an entry. Light entry, light first entry. We went up, pulled back right at the pre-market high right here. If we pass this candle right here, I'll take the entry. Stop loss will be this pre-market high right here. Not in heavy at all, guys. Haven't got in yet though. Just got it loaded up. See what this doing. Hymns. See what happens right here. QQQ pretty strong. Damn, AMD setting up nice too. Oh, AMD. Still pulling back a little bit. I'll let it pull back. 53 seconds on this candle. If we pass this right here, which we probably about to, because SPY is breaking out a little bit, I will take the entry. All right, there we go. Let's see if we can get above this candle right here. All right, guys, I just took my entry on the video calls. My stop loss is this pre-market high right here. See if we can take this above high of day. A great setup, great trend. You want to see some trend starting like it is right now. It might come back and pull back again. Let's see. I wonder why Nvidia. Damn, AMD was the one. Shit. Should have fucked with AMD, huh? It's still retesting. Look at this shit right here. Come on, Nvidia. Damn, AMD was the one. Meta, everything breaking out right now, guys. Tesla, Google's the only one. Google came down. Yeah, everything breaking out. I'm up 10%. Oh, shit. I'm so sorry. I got in a fucking put. God damn it. I had to exit that in the video, guys. Fuck. I just fucked up. I was in a put, man. All right. I was up 10% on a goddamn NVIDIA put. I just got out in that NVIDIA call. I'm gonna reload it though. I'm in a put. I'm like, why am I up 10% and it's going down? Tripping already. I'll let it retest right here. Oh, positive insight. You said in the video. What it do, black tie? What it do, black tie? Damn, yeah, I probably would have exit right there, but it's probably just gonna retest right here. Yeah, the video might shit. 9:42 on the clock. I will load the video back up. Damn. I'm trying to get back in. This shit ain't loading. QQQ with a nice pullback as well. Give me 1 second, guys. Shit. Had to restart the app. This shit still pulling back though. Yeah, I was in the video calls, but all right, here we go. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna hold off right quick. Let me see if we still retesting this pre-market low right here. But I do like AMD as well. I haven't re-entered yet. Give me 1 second. Kind of like this AMD. See, we got above yesterday's. We got above pre-market high right here. And now we're consolidating. So the break of that consolidation, we can take a trade off of that. But I'm still watching the video. The video is rejecting that 113 that 113 weekly level. SPY pulling back as well. This is the same area that SPY pulled back from yesterday, right here. Right when the market closed, SPY got rejected off of this 542 right here. So let's see what happens right here. We probably reject hard right here. This 542 is a strong weekly level. But I'm gonna load up AMD, guys. Shit. I'm gonna load up AMD 95 calls. All right, guys. I just entered AMD calls. All right. All right. I've just not got filled. God damn, I had to reset my broker. All right, I'm in AMD calls, guys. So the break of this ORB is right here at the top, but we're consolidating towards the top of the ORB. So when I see we consolidate at the top of the ORB, I'm pretty sure we're probably going to break out at the top of ORB, especially when you got SPY over here moving pretty decent over here. So let's see what happens. I'm sitting right around break even right now. I'm in AMD calls. So we came up, we consolidated, and we're holding the pre-market low. So I'm using the pre-market high right here, this green line. I'm using that as support. There we go. See, we breaking the consolidation. So once we get above this consolidation right here, I'm on a 2-minute chart. I'm up 4% right now. Look, I'm already up $100 just from that right there. Already up. So let's see if we can break out. We break out above this consolidation. I'll use the top of this consolidation as my stop loss. But right now, my stop loss is below the pre-market high. If we break below this pre-market high, I will exit. So we got SPY breaking out, QQQ breaking out, AMD. Where you at? Where you at, AMD? Let's see what's moving the market. Is that Tesla that's moving the market like that? Or Netflix? Oh, Netflix looking great. Damn. Oh shit. Great ass pullback on Netflix. Look at that right there. Damn, I missed that. AMD over here bullshitting. I'm down 2% right now. 14 seconds on this candle. I'm in AMD calls. SPY getting rejected off this level right here. Let me check the RSI. Shit, we oversold. We oversold on the RSI. Let's see what happens though. If we get below VWAP in this 8 EMA right here, I'll exit. But I want to see SPY get above 542. This is where we got rejected from yesterday. We got above it early yesterday, but we got rejected off of open price. Right here, that yellow line, that's open price. So when we gapped up yesterday, we kind of came down. But SPY's wicking off its lows. So let's see what happens. There goes SPY. Okay. Still in AMD calls. This is just consolidating right here. Let me check AMD, something on AMD right quick. AMD has that 97.36 high of yesterday. All right. If we get above this consolidation, they're going to be in trouble. This is nothing but a bull flag right here. There we go. We back break even. SPY got above 542. Now we want to see SPY stay right here. We don't want to see SPY break back under 542. If we stay above 542, that is my confluence that we are going to be bullish for the moment. But if we break back under 542, prepare for the elevator to go down. Hams 10%. Pulling back. It's just playing around this 542. Still in AMD calls. It's 9:53 on the clock. They're just killing contracts right now. I'm pretty sure we're probably about to get above this 542. Let them do their thing. They're just killing contracts right now. I'm still in AMD calls. I'm sitting at break even right now. There we go. We got it. There we go. There we go. Go ahead and break out. All right, AMD is breaking ORB right here. All right, guys, I'm gonna trim right here. I'm gonna trim at 5%. I'm up 200 right there. I'm sitting at 8% right now. All right. I just trimmed a little bit. still holding in AMD calls. You gotta love this trading shit, man. Even the bad days, man, you gotta love it. I definitely rather goddamn wake up, get on my laptop, risk some money to make some money before I go clock into a job. I do that every day. 9:55 on the clock. Still up 5% on AMD calls. Look like we retesting this 542 on SPY, but we are wicking off our lows. So we are starting a great trend right here. If we can get above 542 and hold, it's gonna be a nice day. I'm still sitting up 8%. I'm only in 7 contracts. I got 7 contracts left. Let's go. Oh, my bad. I'm in this swing right here, guys. That's why I keep looking. If y'all see my head moving, I'm in this swing right here. Hems. Yeah, we breaking out of that swing right there. AMD is retesting. Boy, let's go. Hey, man, I probably haven't told y'all this, but once you guys really get into trading and you really like dedicated to this shit, make sure you get you a swing account and a day trading account. Have 2 separate accounts with money in it to play with, because you don't want to swing and day trade in the same account. Trust me, I know. I've done it before. They will throw your whole mindset off when you lose on a day trade, or if you win on a day trade. You might win on a day trade, and you might lose on a swing. So in that account, it's gonna look like you had a red day. You know what I'm saying? But we're pulling back. Let's see. I'm gonna trim some more right here. I'm still up 3%. All right. SPY's RSI is pretty high right here. We probably about to pull back. I'm about to exit. I'm about to exit AMD. I'm still up 3%, but SPY's real oversold right here. All right. I'm gonna load up SPY puts though. You don't have to enter with me, but I'm about to load up SPY puts. Uh, 540 puts. I'm only gonna get in like let me see if we can break. If we stay above this 8 EMA right here, I'll take my entry. Stay below. There we go. All right, guys. I just took an entry on SPY puts. Kind of aggressive entry, guys, but let's see what happens. We got up to AMD. We got up to about 7, 8, 10%, but not really too much. Paid a little bit. My stop loss on this SPY put right here is this 542. If we get above this 542, I will exit. I'm sitting at negative 3% right now. There we go. We back in the green, guys. We back in the green. There we go. Spy's pulling back. Go ahead if you're gonna go, Spy. You see the RSI really sold. It's 9:59 on the clock, guys. I'm gonna move to the 5-minute chart. I will move to the 5-minute chart. Stop loss still the same. I'm in spot puts. Stop loss at that 542 resistance overhead. See what Ham's doing. See if we pull back. And I'm on a 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart. The only reason I go to the 5-minute chart, if you don't know, just because the 2-minute chart gives me too many candles and I don't feel like getting confused. I also like moving to the 5-minute chart because I can see my pullbacks clear. I just need that 2-minute chart early to get them early pullbacks. You know what I'm saying? Because on a 5-minute chart, you're really not going to see it. This Hems is moving though, boy. This Hem is moving right here. I got about a band. In Hems. But I got in yesterday as soon as market closed. I got in over here. Probably about to trim in a minute. I'm down 6% on spot puts. Yep, appreciate that positive insight. Yeah, I'm on a 5-minute. So anytime I trade a reversal, I always trade a reversal light because anytime we get a reversal, you're going to get a quick move. You know what I'm saying? So I always get in light because you're going to get a bigger move anyway. So I always get in light because when SPY turns around, it drops. It takes the elevator down. Remember that. Look like we're going to be here bullish. Oh, I got 29 call. Yeah. I guess they want to get above 542 today. I'm still in spot puts. I'm down 12%. Only in about 2 contracts. Look like SPY just pulled back. Still ain't got above that 542 yet, though. I guess I got in late. Still in spot puts. I'm down. Damn. I'm down 7% right now. Still rejecting a little bit. Damn. Still holding. I'm down 14%. Damn, look at him. I just exited one of my damn contracts too. You motherfucker. Damn. Probably throwing y'all off. I'm still in spot puts though. I'm looking at this swing I'm in. Let your runners run. Probably about to exit spot, man. This shit ain't pulling back. AMD breaking out. We got Amazon, Apple is trash, moving sideways. Microsoft looks ugly. Meta not really doing nothing. Tesla starting to break out again. Netflix is the chart today. Oh man. All right, guys. I'm gonna exit that. I'm gonna exit that spot put. I lost 18% right there. I was only light in two contracts. Netflix, man. Y'all look at this shit right here. This is what was moving the market. How the hell I missed this? And this morning I was loading my charts up. I said, because sometimes I don't like to trade Netflix because Netflix moves weird. But I said, I ain't even gonna pull up Netflix today because I was just like, man, I ain't even gonna pull up Netflix today. Contracts crazy on Netflix. I know. Y'all give me 1 second. I'm still here, guys. Give me 1 second. Chit. All right, yeah, I'm still here, guys. Oh man, do y'all see Netflix? Damn. See why I like the ORB guys? Damn, how I missed this. What time this happened? 9:50. Shit. Man. Look at this chart, guy. Broke the ORB, pulled back. You could have got in right off that pullback. Damn. Netflix is moving the market right now. I'm wondering why we're not really pulling back. And I go look at Netflix chart and I see all this green. Look at everything else, not doing nothing. QQQ moving sideways. Meta pulling back. Should exit this damn thing. Look at him. Apple moving sideways. Nvidia. So I initially got in Nvidia calls, but when I looked at my broker, I realized I was in goddamn puts. I'm still here, guys. My son woke up. I'm still here though. Netflix still strong. God, I just want to look at Netflix real quick. Netflix and the money calls are $3,000. 3,000. What the hell? Who trading that? And that's just 2-day expiration. Nah, y'all got it on that one. God dang. Damn. Netflix, bruh. How did I miss that? I'm sitting here like, why are we pulling back, bruh? I go over and look at Netflix chart. This bitch just going. Look at everything else. Moving sideways. Amazon moving sideways. Google, shitty chart. There's SPY breaking out. There's SPY. There's SPY. Yeah, good exit on that put. See, sometimes we can be oversold and we still get some money. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes we can be oversold and it'll still move up. You know what I mean? That's just what they'll do to you. Indicators aren't 100%. Remember that, but they're very helpful. Damn, I should have stayed in AMD. I got out at about 8% just because SPY was oversold. Really thought we was finna pull back. Damn, Netflix. Okay. Ham's moving. I'm in this swing right here. We're on the 5-minute chart, guys. Haven't really took any trade. I took 2 trades, took a Netflix call, but when I got in, I realized I was in puts. So I had got 10% off the damn puts, but I was trying to get this pullback right here. But shit, we still ain't break out. We still consolidating. And I got an AMD calls when we broke this consolidation right here. We went up to about 10%. I trimmed. We came down. I started thinking SPY was about to pull back, so I got out at about 8%. Yeah, we pulling back on fucking hand. Damn. Yes, now SPY is pulling back. Look at this shit. They go to SPY put right here. This one you need to load up the SPY puts right here. See that big wick right here? I'm gonna get in light though. I'm gonna get in light. Let's see what happens. See if we break under this. On the 4 hour spot, RSI is only 59. Let me check. Okay, okay, I see that. Hey, positive insights. So using RSI, what do you look for on the RSI? I look for see if we like oversold. I usually wait until I see like, see how you see red at the top, and then you see green at the top, but then you'll see red at the bottom too if we coming down. What do you look for on the RSI for your confluence? Like when you're entering a trade, what do you look for? I really just started back using the RSI. I really didn't use it because it wasn't really helpful to me when I first started, but I use it every now and then. If I can see it shows me when price action slowing down or something like that. Look like spot faking everybody out. I'm glad I didn't get in them spot puts again. Like right now, we sitting at 69. Let's see on the 4 hour, 55. On the hourly, we sitting around 54. Yeah. Eric said you should try the most RSI on TradingView. It's the best one I found. All right. Is it this one right here? On my indicators. Let me see. Yeah, I got this RSI right here, but let me see if I type it in. See RSI chart, RSI. Which one you had said? Try the most RSI on TradingView. I know they all be different. I usually just pick the normalest one I can see. Damn, spot about to pull back. Oh shit! It went down to 539. When did it touch that? I'm gonna just leave a runner and him right here. Spot's holding that 539. It's bouncing off of this 539 right here. Most RSI. All right, let me type it in. Damn, we pulling back. Damn, big pullback. Yep, should have gotten the spot puts right there. Damn, should have gotten puts. I knew it was coming, man. I knew it was coming. Shit. As soon as I get out of puts, bro, I should have just waited for that big wick right there. Waited for that big wick right there. Damn. I told you. See, when you You don't have to. That's probably like 40% right there. So every time I trade a reversal, I really don't go heavy because you're gonna get a big move. So I don't go heavy. But yeah, I should have when I seen that big wick right there, that's when I should have got him put. As soon as I seen that wick. Yeah. Eric, you said you got him put. Oh yeah, let me type this RSI in, see what you're talking about. Most RSI. Is it this one right here? Yvonne. Let's see what it's looking like. I don't think it's gonna break down all the way. I think it'll probably recover. Is this it right here though? RSI over 70. Look at volume. Look for a topping candle. RSI under 30. Look, I'm finna take a picture of what you just said. Positive insights. Appreciate that. Y'all know I like advice from everybody, man. Taking a picture of that. Appreciate that. We gotta help each other. Shit. We gotta help each other, man. Not a lot of people out here. All right, Eric. Appreciate that. I'm gonna try this out. Okay, got the numbers marked and everything. All right. See what it look like over here. Shit. What trading book said we couldn't help each other out? What trading book, y'all? I haven't read that. Why we can't help each other out? You know what I'm saying? We all trying to do the same thing, make some money. What book said we can't help each other out? All right, read color pattern I sent you. All right. It works. Most for put magnetic yellow, lavender. There's three colors: magnetic yellow and lavender. For puts, magnetic yellow, lavender. All right. Appreciate that. See what these settings looking like. Let me go ahead and highlight that. So yeah, we pulled back pretty hard, but it looked like we were recovering on SPY. Most buy still. Oh, okay, okay. Purple line is the RSI. Blue line still. All right. 10:23 on the clock, man. So we went up, pulled back. He get out of here? I think he did. And we breaking back down. Look at this shit. Spy, boy, Spy ain't done nothing. See if it recovers. Needs to get back above 539. The AMD ain't doing nothing. Amazon, Apple not really doing nothing. Apple just broke yesterday's low. Apple is breaking under 200 level right now. I want to see. Man, I'm about to. Shit. Six, two. Yeah, we pulling back. So shit, when I said puts, we should have stayed in them puts, but it's all good. But you're all right. The RSI can remain over or under 30 to 70 for a long period of time, though. Yeah, that's why I stopped using it before. I was like, man, this shit don't work. But I mean, it does help though. It help you when it's coming up. It help you know when price actually slowing down. It can show you all of that. You know what I'm saying? So you can get out of some contracts when you see that RSI. Because at first I was like, damn, we oversold. I used to get straight in puts or straight in calls and shit. I used to lose. I'm like, bro, I ain't using that RSI no more. Yeah, I was fed up with that RSI a couple months ago. But yeah, man, we came down here, went up a little bit on SPY. Pretty sure SPY will recover. I don't think it's gonna drop off like that unless we get some bad tariff news or something. Yeah, man. First trade, only trade where I got in the video, I know I had accidentally got in puts, but only trade we really did make some paper off of is this Amazon. I mean, not Amazon, AMD. Before it pulled back, this consolidation right here. As soon as we broke this consolidation, we came back down, retested, and then we went back up. And I got out right around here when we got to about 10%, but got a little bit off of it. Netflix is the one that's really moving the market right now. So I want to keep an eye on Netflix. Netflix pulled back, but it really didn't pull all the way back how SPY did. SPY had a really good rejection right there. That was a good rejection right there. Could have got in, but missed it a couple seconds later. It's all good though. But yeah, that's it for my morning session, man. Morning session. You're right. Candles do speak loudly. I'm telling you, the colors on the RSI work, bro. All right, I'm gonna use that shit. I got it saved right here. Most RSI right here. Yeah, that's the one I'm gonna use. The colors on the most. Let me read that again. You said all right. But yeah, man, I'm gonna call it in the morning for right now. I'll probably come and look at the charts later, see what's going on. But that's gonna be it for this morning, man. Y'all enjoy your day. Don't blow your account up. And it's your boy Clark. I'll be back tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Y'all have a good one.